I want to show you today in this real short video how to do today's assignment. Today's a little bit different. You're going to go to a Learn It that's a link to a K-12 lesson. While you're going through that lesson, I also want you to put your answers to some questions on this Google form. So before you click the Learn It, click on the Google form to open that form up. So you're going to have both of these open at the same time because you're going to need the information in here in order to answer these. And I've already done that here where I have opened up the Google form on one page and made it half my screen. And then here is the lesson on the other half of my screen. So as you go through this, you're going to see, here's your instructions. Okay, always look at the brown or the bold ones that give instructions here. All right, you will be skipping some of the pages on this lesson. The page number is in each one of the questions. And you're going to see a little later here, I wanted you to look at a page right here, but I don't have a question for you. I just want you to pay attention and learn. So as you go to these pages, you're going to see, I have a question here for you. You need to pay attention. For instance, on the page 1, you're going to need to watch this video and listen carefully to see when this narrator makes this statement and find the answer, pick it out. When you go on here, you can just skip right on to page 6. You can either click through by clicking one at a time here, or you can just have it jump ahead. I'm on page 5. I got one more. There we go, page 6. If I don't tell you to look at a page, feel free to just completely skip it. If you want to look at them that I've suggested to skip, that's fine too. So you'll go to page 6, read what's here. There's no videos on this page, so you're just going to read and find the answer. Go on down here, page 7. There is an activity on that one. Sometimes there's an activity that you're going to need to do in order to figure out the answer. And this particular question actually draws on your prior knowledge. Hopefully you can remember. Okay, so go down again, go to page 9, and you'll be paying attention to the information and finding those answers. This is kind of like a scavenger hunt, a little bit different than what you're used to. Of course, that's Mrs. Horn. I'm always trying new stuff. Again, page 12, I want you to read it, pay attention to the information, but I don't have a question for you. And then continue on, and you've got all of these questions, and then you will submit. And it will tell you how you did. If you have any problems, please let me or one of the other teachers in the classroom know so that we can help you. Once you're finished with that, then you're going to go back to your course and you'll go on to the Try It. Okay, your Try It, you're going to give that a try. You're going to snip it and turn it in under the Prove It. And that's it. I think you guys can handle it. You're going to do great.